Welcome back. Fisheries Department's Open Sea Cage Aquaculture project has got a good response. Minister for Fisheries Avardhan Furtado says it is 100% successful. The baby fish that were left in cage in November was fished out at Talpon and Pole. This project will help fish-loving Goenkas to cultivate and enjoy sea fish of their own choice.
अब 13 kgs आम्ही फिश घायल्ले हा 4 kgs मोडसो आणि उरले ते चणक मोडसो 5 months आणि चणक ओली 4 months.
But now it's totally grow
झाले. Growth is up to the expectation. Morso has already crossed 1 kilo आणि चणक is around 500 to 700 grams.
पण आता तुम्ही किती करतले जे फिश
हेजे आम्ही आता हिंगा दोऱ्यो रफ जाला सो आता whatever is big size he sell कोतली fishermen will sell and the rest of the fish we will take to Karwar to the CMFRI and we will grow the fish there till July. Then during the monsoon fishing ban period we will bring that fish to the sea.
And as far as I have seen today, I can see the fishermen are really very happy. Next year they were not aware of this. Like this is the first time they have come across such this sea culture. So next time they are saying we will take the best use of it. This time they have put just 50, but next time they are saying they will do it much better.
But now the project is 100% successful.
Yeah, it is 100% successful.
Fishermen are happy with this project.
September जर स्टार्ट जर जायत हो प्रोजेक्ट जाल्यार हो पागी बांदवा खातीर एक सक्सेसफुल आनी बरो प्रोजेक्ट आनी पोट भरपाचो प्रोजेक्ट आसा.
किती खावड घालताल तुमी तांकां?
आम खावड दिसा 2 वेळ घालताले खावड.
किती घालताले?
ताली घाल पयलीं आमी बारीक तेका पावडर एक बारीक गुळी चितली ती घालता पयलीं आमी आनी आतां ते वोडल न्ही वोडल म्हणल्यार आतां तेका आमी ताली हेंकून घालता.
किती करून घालताले?
ताल्ल्या कुडकी करून घालता.
Cage was installed on 25th November 2013. Around 20 bags of morso and chanak fish were left for breeding. Fishermen were trained to carry out aquaculture. Bhavesh Borkar for Prudent.
In spite of awareness by the Transport Department and NGOs, even after stressing on importance and safety of using helmets, there is rise in fatal accidents at Ponda. The main reason is head injury. Within 4 months, 8 people have died in fatal accident, out of which 5 lost their life for not wearing helmet. In 4 months, Ponda Traffic Police has booked 2,976 cases of two-wheeler riders riding without helmet.
Ponda is witnessing a rising trend in fatal accidents. In the past 4 months, from January to April, 8 people have died in fatal accidents, out of which 5 riders have lost their lives for not wearing the helmet. In 2013, from January to May, the number was almost same, out of which 5 died due to the head injury.
Fatal accident basically occurred due to the rash and negligence among the youth, and the fatalities is more due to the head injuries. In most of the cases, they were not using the helmets.
Ponda Traffic Police has initiated a drive against the traffic rule violators. In the year 2014, 2,976 cases were booked from January to month of May, while 2,453 cases were booked in the year 2013 for not wearing helmet.
We have taken a stern drive against this non-using of helmets. Altogether, around 3,000 cases are booked. But this tendency of the motorcycle rider has to be changed. They have to compulsorily wear the helmet before starting their bike.
Ponda Police has also booked riders and drivers in other cases, traffic rule violations. Driving without seat belt 2,124, fancy number plates 347, tinted glasses 403, dangerous parking 2,443 and driving without license 37. Reporter Vivek Prabhu from Ponda.
Feast of Mother of God at Majorda and Feast of Mount Carmel Chapel at Ponda was held on Sunday with pomp and gaiety. Devotees in large number attended the feast. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.